Welcome to week 5 of quarter 2. So this is the last module set for this year, and then on Monday, January 3, magkakaroon ng week 6. Okay, what's in store for week 5? So we have AP. Kompleto pa actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tama, 7. 7 na subjects. But, I think last na ito for ESP and AP. And then, week 6 magiging konti na lang. Okay, so what we have for AP. So, using the Smile Learners Packet. So, may date na dyan, December 13 to 17, week 5. So, pinaka-importanteng kakayahan pambagkanaod, natatawan importansya ang istorya kan sa diring pamilya. So, yan, may gibohon 1, a story about the family. Tapos, may sasagutan sa gibohon 1, isusurat kung iyo po, kan pahayag base sa istorya ang binasa, tapos dai po. So, it's from the story from the previous page. And then, part B, isuratan simbag sa linya. So, may questions about the story, tapos isusurat sa blank ang answer. Gibonto naman, isuratan MG sa linya kung ini nagpapahayag din marhay na gibo o gawi kan pamilya, as in BMG kung bakong marhay na gibo. So, MG, marhay na gibo. BMG, bakong marhay na gibo o gawi. So, number 1 hanggang number 5, which is on the next page. And gibon 3 naman, i-drawing ang sa diring pamilya sa laugan harong, asin ang mga bagay na ginigibok ang lambang saro na dapat ipag-orgulyo, asin koloran ang sa imong drawing o magibo nin 1 to 2 minute video kan mga bagay na dapat ipag-orgulyo, asin ipasa sa messenger ni teacher. So, either mag-drawing or may isasubmit kay Teacher Anel. So, just don't forget na i-indicate ang section para hindi din malito si Teacher Anel. So, bago i-send sa messenger yung video, name, tapos ilagay ang complete name and also the grade 1 SSESA. Kasi may estudyante pa siya sa grade 1 Melon, saka grade 1 SSASB. So, para hindi malito, please indicate the section. And for ESP naman, so under me, so using the contextualized learners packet, so this is about pagmakulog sa kapwa. So, compassion. Pang-enot na konsepto, yan nakapaliwanag. And this is about nakapagpapakita ng pagmamalasakit sa kasapi ng paaralan at pamayanan sa iba't ibang paraan. So, this is not just about the family but also other people other than the people around us other than our family members. And yan, may gibuhon 1, may story. Tapos may questions about the story number 1 hanggang number 4, may number 5 sa page 3. Gibuhon to naman, magdrawing o magdukot sa papel nin sarong retrato na nagpapahiling nin sarong pagmamakulog sa kapwa na mahihiling sa eskwelahan, asin sa lugar kung saan kamo naka-istar. So, only one picture. So, pili na lang kayo, is this in school or in your neighborhood? So, tapos may explanation about the topic. For Filipino naman, using the Smile Learners Packet, so ayan, tungkol sa iba't ibang emosyon o pakiramdam. And then also there are terms used, yan, masaya, malungkot, galit, natatakot o nasorpresa o nabigla. So yan ay tungkol sa mga nakikitang symbols or mga facial expression, and at the same time yung mga nakikitang symbol o mga babala sa paligid kung anong ibig sabihin nan. So yan, ito ay tungkol sa natutukoy ang kahulugan ng salita batay sa kumpas, galaw, ekspresyon ng mukha, ugnayang salita, larawan o kasalungat. At nasasabi ang kahulugan o mensaheng nais ipabatid ng nabasang babala o paalala. Yan, una. Tapos Tapos may gawain 2. Anong gagawin ba sa gawain 1? Isulat ang titik, sapat lang kung ano ba ang damdamin na ipinapakita. Gawain 2 naman, may mga babala, lalagyan ng check ang kahon na nagsasaad ng tamang mensahe. Anong ibig ba sabihin ng bawat babalang iyan? So, number 1 hanggang number 5. Then, gawain 3 naman, hanapin sa loob ng kahon ang mensahe ng mga babala na makikita sa ibaba, isulat ang sagot, sapat lang. So, may pagpipilian sa kahon kung ano ba ang mensaheng ipinapahiwatig ng mga simbolo o ng mga babalang iyan. And ang panghuli, refleksyon, huwag kalimutang sagutan ito. Sa MAPE naman, nasa music na tayo at ay pangalawang module sa music para sa quarter 2. So ito'y tungkol sa identifies the beginning, ending, and repeated parts of a music sample. So napakadali lamang to kasi ang pinapatukoy lamang ay ang simula ng awitin, tapos yung katapusan ng awitin at yung mga inuulit-ulit. So meron dito ang gagawin, gawain 1, bilugan ang bahagi ng panimula at ikahon ang bahagi ng katapusan. Maaaring gumamit ng crayons para makita kung alin ba ang sagot ninyo. So by lines, meron tayo dito 1, 2, 3, 4. Alin ba dyan ang nasa unahan, ang unang bahagi? So ang gagawin, bibilugan. At dito naman, alin ba dyan ang end part? So ito ay kakahonan. So, yan ang gagawin sa gawain 1. Gawain 2 naman, sa awiting Twinkle Little Star, bilugan ang gamit ang pulang crayon, ang panimulang bahagi, at berde, this should be berde or green, berdeng crayon para sa katapusang bahagi. And then, gawain 3 naman, so another familiar song, gamit ang awit na Baba Black Sheep sa ibaba, bilugan ang gamit ang pulang crayon ang panimulang bahagi, at berde naman, so same direction but different song now. So katapusang bahagi. At huwag kalimutang sagutan ang yan. So ito ay sarili nyong parang evaluation. Tapos, refleksyon, ano ba ang natutunan mo sa module na ito? Next naman, sa math. So, sa math, gamit ang self-learning module. So, this is a continuation of subtraction. But this time, without the white and the black chips anymore. So, using the numbers, yung na siya, kumbaga from concrete to abstract part na siya. So, next level na. So, this time, subtraction with regrouping and without regrouping. I will explain it how we can subtract with regrouping and also without regrouping. So, eto, pinakita lang muna ng white and black chips. Pero, as we move along the end part of this module, so, aalisin na yung mga white and black chips. And by the way, this is good for 2 weeks. So, hindi pa ito isasama sa isasubmit sa January 3. So, naka-explain dyan. Every task, tapos may gagawin. Explain ko naman kung paano ba bakit ba merong tens and ones, bakit may black chips, paano ba yan nagagamit. And then how do we come up with the answer? So medyo mahaba to because it's good for 2 weeks. And for MTB naman, so problema saka solusyon. Problem and solution. So with objective, identify the problem and the solution in the story read. And then my pictures, in case the pictures are not clear, you just refer to this video or to the soft copy. Yung nasa Google Drive folder. Yan. Tapos, we have here 5 items, problems, and then hanapin yung solution. So, by writing letters A, B, C, D, or E. For gibuhon 3 naman, i-drawing ang sa imong magiging solusyon sa minasunod na problema. So, ano ba ang pwedeng solution? So, draw, and if you want to include speech bubble, speech balloon, pwede. So, yan ang MTB. And for science, for week 5, so, we are on the topic under plants. So, we have parts of a plant. With learning competencies, identify the parts of a plant, describe the function of each part, and classify plant parts according to their physical characteristics like color, shape, texture, and many more. And then explain the absence of some plant parts affects their survival. So, yan. Different activities. Tapos, may lalagyan ng check and X. May last page dito wherein you have to cut them, then it will be pasted on this part. So, cut and paste activity. So, match the plant picture to its correct function. Cut the pictures which is found on the last page and paste it on the box. And then we have here what shape or how can we describe the leaves of some plants, and also the smell of some flowers, kung meron bang smell, wala, and also seeds, and then there are questions afterwards, and then we have the discussion. I will also include additional input during the discussion, and then the application. You need to name the plant part, and then you have also to include the drawing. And then for part B, circle the letter of your answer if it's A, B, C, or D. And then don't forget the last part, reflection. And this one was written by Teacher Sheena. So, this is what I was referring. Ito, i-detach na lang itong last page kasi hindi naman kakailanganin na after you cut the pictures out. So, para hindi na rin magulo. So, detach mo na itong last part, and then this is the time you can cut the pictures out. So that's it for week 5. Just wait for the lesson videos to be uploaded. Thank you.